Contents. 1. Particle morphology effect on the soil pore structure. M. Ali Marouf, Daniel Rezazadeh Idgahi, and Ahmad Mahboubi. 2. Improvement measures for structure system conversions caused by utilizing SPMTs to lift trusses. Zitong Wen, Jian Zhou, Jing Dong, and Shiji Zhang. 3. Evaluation the level of service of signalized intersection, Al-Amraya intersection as a case study. Noor A. Rajab, Hamid A. Awad, and Firaz Al-Rawi. 4. An algorithm to obtain moment curvature diagram for reinforced concrete sections. Mortiza Mohemi. 5. Assessment of the influence of TH Port's breakwater on the hydrodynamic regime in Kua Lo and Kua Hoi estuaries, Nguyen Province, Vietnam. Viet Thanh Nguyen and Kai Zhang. 6. Effects of hole locations on the elastic global buckling loads of cold-formed steel channel members with perforations under compression or bending. Ngoc Yu Pham. 7. Effect of bridge skew on the analytical and experimental responses of a steel girder highway bridge. Renxiang Liu and John Judd. 8. Investigation of sectional capacities of cold-formed steel Supa C sections. Ngoc Yu Pham. 9. Preliminary regression study on air quality inside a road tunnel, a case study in Vietnam. Tu Hang Tran. 10. Experimental study of reinforced concrete beams strengthened with CFRP Yihong Hong. 11. The influence of different excavation methods on deep foundation pit and surrounding environment. Yangming Yang, Shiwen Li, and Yao Chen. 12. Study on critical shaft length in underground metro tunnel with one end to outside. Tingting Wang, Pengchang Zheng, Miaocheng Weng, and Fang Lu. 13. Research on the influence of transverse limit of support on construction monitoring of special-shaped bridge. Yi Chao and Dong Jun. 14. Probabilistic analysis of a braced excavation considering soil spatial variability. Sharui Ding, Haoqing Yang, and Jiabao Xu. 15. Influence of excavation of horizontal added tunnel on main tunnel and safety analysis. Liang Fu. 16. Application of composite foundation with long short CFG piles in engineering accident treatment. Shoufeng Tang, Jianxing Tong, Ning Jia, Xinhui Yang, Zunhai Sun, and Mingli Yan. 17. Research on improvement calculation method of design thrust of anti-slide pile. Xiaoqiang Hu, Jierui Liu, Xinfei Wang, Zhongren Zhou, and Honglu Jia. 18. Treatment of leakage disease of a deep foundation pit. Wei Lu and Xinjie Zhang. 19. Vibration-based damage joint identification method for superstructure and substructure of piles supported frame structure. Zhenggang Zhou, Dejun Liu, and Shujie LV. 20. Research and development and pilot application of innovative technology of prefabricated concrete. Jindan Zhang, Jun Kai, Ying Su, Qingyu He, and Xinyue Lin. 21. Symplectic elastic solution of multi-layer thick-walled cylinder under different interlayer constraints. Zhangyu Zhang, Yajun Zhang, Huaqing Liu, and Xuanxuan Li. 22. Research on construction process of steel beam incremental launching based on finite element method. Yansai Xiao, Kun Fu, Zhuang Li, Jiping Zeng, Jian Bai, Zibin Huang, Zudong Huang, and Yu Yuan. 23. Numerical simulation and experimental study on concrete block fabricated foundation. Weiyuan Liu, Zibin Yang, Jia Li, Mintao Ding, Kongyue Song, and Yangping Li. 24. Pavement crack detection and quantification based on scanning grid and projection method. Zhaoyun Sun, Lili Pei, Bo Yuan, Yaohui Du, Wei Li, and Yuxi Han. 25. Test and evaluation for performance of composite pavement structure. Zhao Yang, Linbing Wang, Dongwei Sao, Rongshu Li, and Hailu Yang. 26. Parameter sensitivity analysis of long-span PC continuous beam bridge with corrugated steel webs. Yu Zhang and Piang Long. 27. Preparation and impact resistance of carbon fiber reinforced metal laminates modified by carbon nanotubes. Zewi Jia, Lingwei Shu, Shuangkai Huang, Horan Shu, Jimo Zhang, and Shu Kui. 28. Comparative analysis of the displacement dynamic load allowance and bending moment dynamic load allowance of highway continuous girder bridge. Kaixiang Fan. 29. Temperature distribution and transmission in multi-layer porous asphalt courses. Hongxing Chen, Chunfa Zhang, Yunfei Su, and Xiaowei Wang. 30. Research on support damage of highway bridge based on Midas. Miao Miao Fang, Yuki Wang, Jiaxin Liu, and Fan Sun. 31. Application analysis of several basement exterior wall construction schemes in compacted pile foundation treatment engineering. Yatuan Yan, Chen Chen, Yufei Shu, Shufu Li, Teng Wang, and Di Ding. 32. Multilateral boundary blasting theory of high and steep slope in open pit mine and its application. Zhengkai Chen, Wenzhu Gao, Shangjun Hao, Zheng Wei, Xiaojun Zhang, and Zhaochen Liu. 33. Laboratory model test of eco-concrete slab slope protection. Hao Chen, Fengqi Wang, Gang Shu, and Lilang Guo. 34. Compressive strength performance of additives for cement-based grouting material with low water binder ratio by response surface methodology. Jiashu Guo, Xiaowei Hu, Zan Zhao, Xu Dao, and Ying Ni. 35. Study on seismic performance of integrated support of steel arch and anchor in loose surrounding rock of highway tunnel. Zigang Zhang, Ziyuan Liu, Chang Zhang, Jing Zhang, and Dongchang Shu. 36. Research on crack propagation and critical water pressure of basalt under hydraulic coupling. Daming Tang, Hai Quan, Xinkai Yu, Qizhang Shu, and Zaki Zhu. 37. Theory and technology of digital twin model for geotechnical engineering. Jiaming Wu, Linfabao Dai, Guangzhou Shui, and Jian Chen. 38. Study on optimization of row spacing between steel arches in deep buried fault cave sections. G. Y. Zhang, Y. X. Xiao, J. H. Zhang, and J. Y. Luo. 39. Seismic performance of a precast hollow insulated shear wall. Zhexian Chen, Wenfu He, Sen Yang, Cheng Chong, and Min Ji. 40. Study on surface deformation model induced by shield tunneling based on random field theory. Jianbin Li, Zhengguang Huang, Huawei Tong, and Shanghai Zhang. 41. Analysis of deformation characteristics of large diameter shield tunnel with construction load. Weidong Zhu, Shiwen Zhang, and Liang Zhang. 42. Study on deterioration rule of water binder ratio on mechanical properties and frost resistance of concrete. Xu Gong, Hongfa Yu, and Chengyu Wu. 43. Analysis of pile-soil interaction of precast pile driven in coastal strata. Hongping Xie, Chao Han, Chongqing Du, Bo Wang, Yuqi Zhang, and Pinchang Mo. 44. Reliability analysis of gravity retaining wall. Baohua Zhang, Zhengkong Zhang, and Peng Zheng. 45. Research on key technology of anti-sliding treatment of resin thin layer of bascule bridge steel panel. Di Wu, Yafeng Han, and Xiaoyu Jin. 46. Influence of fiber on properties of graphite tailings foam concrete. Xiaowei Sun, Miao Gao, Honghong Zhou, Jing LV, and Zhaoyang Ding. 47. Influence of oxide molar ratio on size effect of geopolymer recycled aggregate concrete. Xiaowei Sun, Hongguang Bian, Zhaoyang Ding, and Lin Qi. 48. Fast algorithm for completion state calculating of wire rope cable bridge. Yang Feng, Dan Song, and Minghui Li. 49. Effect of grouting defect sleeve on seismic performance of concrete column. Changjun Wang, Zhuzhen Zhao, Xiaonan Shu, Sen Peng, and Hongguang Zhu. 50. Developments of microseismic monitoring technology in deep tunnels in China. Guangliang Feng, Qi Ma, Xuanzhang, Dingjun Ku, Gojun Wang, Jian Lu, and Zongjun Zhu. Author Index.